Hey, I'm gonna tell you guys something. I'm not making any money. Nope, not making any money. Well, an affiliate offers on this very video, and I'll explain more why a little bit later on in this video, but we're talking all about Amazon stores, Walmart stores. You've heard about it, you see it all online, but how do you actually profit from them yourself and do it where you know it's actually going to get done? Let's get into this. So one of the things that I see a lot in the online space and talking with a lot of people that have come to me seeking advice and information on how to become a reseller on Amazon and start up their own Amazon e-commerce business is the fact that there's a lot of people giving advice, like myself, who's telling you my experience. But what you're gonna find a huge amount of is people just giving their ideas or their thoughts or their regurgitated information on something they saw online.
So everyone's talking about this new way to sell online called Amazon automation. Step one is to become an Amazon seller. Next, you're gonna check a retailer like Walmart for on-sale products.
You're gonna find very few people that are actually doing their own Amazon store. They're actually doing the stuff that they're talking about. Now, you're gonna see a lot of people selling courses about Amazon sales and stores and doing the whole Amazon arbitrage or Amazon dropshipping method. And even that, you know, you want to pay for a course that's going to teach you how you're going to do it, and then you got to do all the work for it? Or would you rather take that money and invest into a team and somebody that's already been doing it for many years, that knows the ups and the downs, the pitfalls, the things that you will come across? It's inevitable. You will come across issues when starting up your Amazon store, whether it's from your suppliers, whether it's from the retail stores that you're purchasing the products from, but most importantly, compliance issues with Amazon. Over the years, since I started into the Amazon e-commerce world with my partner doing all the work for me, it was inevitable that I was gonna run into problems. And he warned me at that up front. He says, look, every store is different, especially a brand new store starting out. A lot of things can change. And then over the years, things have changed even more. Amazon has gotten harder and harder and stricter when it comes to their policies. So I don't want anybody to listen to me and then jump into this blindly and say, hey, it's gonna be smooth sailing all the way. Because Amazon, if anything, has proven itself to be a very unpredictable beast. But knowing that up front makes it a lot easier to overcome the hurdles that they most likely will throw your way when doing it. And on top of that, when you have a team that is handling all the work for you, that can adjust, that can take a look at the data that's coming in and look at the refund rates or the return rates of the products that are being sold and adjust based on that information, that's really critical. That's the stuff that's gonna help you be able to just go on about your day and be happy without, you know, sitting there worrying and stressing about what's going to happen with your Amazon store, because you've got a team of guys doing it for you. So with that being said, if you're still watching this, if you're still here, then let me share with you guys how incredibly impressed I am with Sergi and his team and the whole Digital Global Nomads company that handles all of my Amazon drop shipping. It handles tons of my friends' drop shipping. And let me also put out a disclaimer here. First and foremost, I do not earn anything from you starting an Amazon store with Sergi. Let me put that out there point blank. It's in the description of this video as well. I do not earn any kind of affiliate commission. Now, I'm a huge affiliate marketer. I've been doing that for years online. So this is very different for me. I want to do this because I want you guys to actually be led and steered in the right direction, because there is so much misinformation out there online, whether it's on TikTok, on YouTube, just on Google, about how to properly set up and start a profitable Amazon store. And Sergi's got the happy customers, the track record, and the proof to show you that not only does he create and help people set up and manage and run fully automated, profitable Amazon stores, he's got the testimonials to prove it as well.
Hi, my name is Tim. I just want to do a quick video for Digital Global Nomads. I started out with Sergi and Digital Global Nomads back in July of this year. In my first month, we did over 100,000 in sales. We got to August, over 230,000. So if you're on the fence and you think you want to get into e-commerce, now's the time. This is the fourth quarter, and Digital Global Nomads is definitely a legitimate company, and they know how to get it done. They're just plain and simple They know what they're doing, and this store, I'm telling you, is just like a money machine. And I'm so grateful that I came across their website and signed up with them back in late June. So thanks a lot, Sergi, for everything that you've done.
So to me, that goes a lot further than seeing some kind of flashy ad or somebody on TikTok just, regurgitating information saying, hey, this is what you guys should do. Because chances are they're getting an affiliate commission. So that was one thing I wanted. Sergi offered me affiliate commission, say like, if you refer somebody, I'll give you a piece of the sales. And I was like, no, I want it to be a very unbiased, straightforward, me helping you guys. Now, if you're watching this video on YouTube, YouTube does pay me for video content that I create, but that's really my focus these days, is creating good content for YouTube that viewers want to watch. So if you're here and you're watching this, chances are you're interested in Amazon dropshipping or Walmart store setup. So with that being said, I want you guys to get a little taste and a little insight into what Sergi is like.
This is a quick little update about my Walmart store. So you can see here I made 50K in sales from 17 to 23 September, right? So very updated. Been doing Amazon since 2017, but I was the first one to do Walmart automation. I know what I'm doing. I have $1 million stores. I've been doing I'm basically the only one who can show Walmart stores operating for more than a year. And obviously we also know how to do Amazon dropshipping. We do dropshipping on Amazon, we do dropshipping on Walmart, but we also obviously are doing wholesale, FBA for Amazon and WFS for Walmart, which basically you can get in one package, all right? So book a call with my team, go to digitalglobalnomads.com.
All right, there you have it. So that's Sergi. I've known this guy. I've worked with him personally. Like I said, he's handled my Amazon store as well. We've done business together for many years now. I've really grown to trust this guy. He has faced some huge obstacles in his own life that he has overcome, whether it was, a financial wrench that life has thrown at him, or it was some type of economical thing or government thing, because he's traveling all around the world all the time, and then COVID hit last year and made travel very, very difficult. He got stuck in Japan, which is not a bad place to get stuck, by the way. I grew up in Japan. I was very jealous that he got stuck in Japan, but he got stuck there with his wife and his son, and he still kept everything running. He still kept in contact with his teams. He still kept going. And to me, that is the most important. You want to partner up and you want to pay somebody to run your Amazon stores for you that is not afraid to get rough when the road gets rough, meaning that they're not afraid to do what it takes to make stuff happen. They're not afraid to put in the time, the work, and they have the experience now because they know what can happen when you work with Amazon or even Walmart. Walmart's is a little bit easier to navigate. So if you guys, are considering this, definitely ask him, should I go Walmart or should I go Amazon or both? Some of his clients do both. But what I'm gonna suggest that you guys do is really get in contact with him and his team and find out if this is right for you. Because first of all, you're gonna need some capital to get your Amazon store set up. Anybody that's out there saying, hey, you can start Amazon with no money out of pocket, it's not true. You've got to be able to buy the products, have them delivered to your customers before you get paid by Amazon or Walmart. That's just the way it is. but Sergi does have some great funding connections. You guys can get funding for this business venture. He'll help you guys, walk you guys through that. You don't have to have ridiculously great credit either. So he's helped some of my friends get funding that I was like, I don't know about this one, Sergi, but he's done really well in helping people get funded. If you've got your own capital, obviously that's gonna be even better because you can just get up and running right away. But the first step is for you to contact him and get on a consultation call. It's absolutely free to do that. There's a link in the description of this video. I want you guys to click on that link, go and talk to them. Don't just take my word for it, talk to them. Also do your own due diligence and research. I can tell you, if you're hearing about a problem or an issue or something that people are saying online that is a negative about starting an Amazon store or a Walmart store, Sergi has already dealt with those issues and he knows how to navigate them. And he knows what you shouldn't do. The number one thing that I've seen over the years is newbies do something on their brand new Amazon store that seemed perfectly harmless, but it actually got their store shut down. And Amazon is really funny about that. They have some certain policies in place that you would have thought, well, what does that matter? But it does. It matters. So Amazon stores, Walmart stores, if that's what you're into, that's what you're researching, that's what you're trying to figure out, is this thing gonna make me a lot of money? You heard some of the testimonials, man. If you're looking to start up a store and get to that place where you're doing $10,000, $100,000, $200,000 a month in passive revenue, not sure of any other investment that you're gonna be able to make that has the potential to create that kind of month after month return on your investment. So with that being said, I am not a financial advisor. This is just me giving you my experience and helping give you guys some information based on my own personal experience with working with Digital Global Nomad and Sergi and his team. Do your own research, but get on a call with them. You will be very happy that you did. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'll be releasing more videos on this topic to help you guys further amplify your income, your bank account, your portfolio online. So you probably want to go watch this video right here, because if you're looking to make money online, this is a great video.